All right, check it out. Little update on project little Fiat big turbo. We just sandblasted the oil pan, etched it, and sealed it. Once that's dry, we'll be ready to get into our craziness. I'm not gonna leak any of that yet. Then we got the valve cover started. Ran out of sand, so we got to run and get some of that. We got the block here. It's ready to go. Next stop is the oil pan and getting all the oil accessories done. Let's cover that back up. So that's good to go. Over there we got the transmission, the old engine accessories. Car filthy. It's gonna need a good shakedown once it's done and up and running. Then over here, excuse my mess, we have the head reassembled. These little shits are small, and none of the tools I got would fit because all the tools were too big. But we used a wrench and a little pry tool and got them in. 2 hands, actually 4 hands, 2 people. Got the exhaust or intake ports done. Got the valves coated and the chamber area coated. Over here, got the valves or the exhaust ports done. Once we're ready for this, we'll give this a nice cleaning and put some new oil on it and get that thing ready to go. Interior, we got the whole Barth interior. Threw in the new seats that we refurbished, and we made these seats into heated seats. And then we added the console. We got some other stuff going. We're working on messing with the airbag, not changing the airbag, just the aesthetics of it. And then under here, we got the Barth pedals put in. We have to finish wiring the LEDs underneath with the door assist. And then got a little custom paint going. And underneath, we completely coated it. You'll have to watch the other video for that. But we also coated the engine bay. It's a very thin rubberized material that prevents rust with hardener, so it's solid. And then we got the intercooler, this ginormous pile of parts. Hey, don't judge. Over here, we got the new headlights. We got some bi LEDs, 50 and 55 watt LEDs. Got the new mounting points ready to go. Fits perfect. Then we have to color match the housings. We gotta sand those housings down, color match them, get them cleared, get it resealed. We got all that parts. We're gonna be throwing in halos that are switchbacks with the turn signal. That will that'll go on the front here. We were gonna use these, but these are too big for the housing, so we scratched that. And then right now, since I haven't found any wheels I like, we're going to take the factory ones, not these. These were the winter tires. We're going to take the factory ones that came on here, and we're going to sand those down, sandblast them, coat them, and then get this beast together. So stay tuned. If you like what I do, like and subscribe to the channel, and enjoy this journey with me. Peace.